Hi, today let's talk how to create do files in Stata, and it's very convenient to save your code, right, so that later you can come back to that and use it again. So it's super simple to do it in Stata. So once you open the Stata, just click on this button here, which will open a do file editor, and here you already can start working. And likewise, if you have somebody else gave you code or you found it somewhere online, it will have the Stata do file type, and again, if you just click on that, it will open it and also execute it. So a couple of things about the do files here. Of course, don't forget to use comments, because later you may want to come back to that file, reuse it, or maybe your colleagues will need it. And to use comments here, you can either use an asterisk and this text will be ignored. So this text is ignored after asterisk. Or you can put it in between / asterisk, but then you have to close it and it can span across a few lines, right? So it's like if you just use asterisk, it's just until this line, but if you use / asterisk and close it with this asterisk and /, then you can have a longer, this is like a longer explanation. And of course, again, do it because later it will be difficult for you to recall what exactly have you been doing in this file. In the previous videos, we discussed how to load proprietary DTA files with data for Stata or Excel files. Please check our channel for additional details. But now what you can do, you start usually with clear, right? This will remove everything which you have here in this variables part. And then you can either open the folder and click on dataset which you want to use, right, like Stata dataset. Or if you already did it, it's convenient to copy the path to this file, and later you can easily just run it, right? So like now what I can do here, I can save this file as do file, right, in the place where I want it. So I put like some title here, like my first Stata file, do file maybe even, and then in the future you can just click on that, open it and run it. So thank you, and talk to you in the following videos. To practice these and many additional Stata tools, please check out the description for a coupon code to my new course, Jumpstart Stata in 2 hours. Thank you.